Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and set up a Cloudflare tunnel. So this is helpful because it allows you to connect a local service to Cloudflare through a secure connection. So to begin, open the Cloudflare website and sign into your account. And once you reach the dashboard, look at the top left sidebar and click networking. And from there, select continue to the tunnel section and click create tunnel. Next, enter a name for the tunnel and continue to the setup section and choose the operating system that you're currently using, such as Windows, Linux, or Mac, and then Cloudflare will then display the application that you need to download along with a command for connecting your computer. So download the Cloudflare application, then open command prompt or terminal on your device and copy the installation command shown on the Cloudflare page, paste it into the command prompt or terminal and run it. So Cloudflare will begin creating the connection automatically. And once the process is complete, the tunnel should appear as active in the Cloudflare dashboard, and you can then use it to connect your local service through Cloudflare. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.